areas that are better. Yung there's a tayo, meron rin kayong penalties. First, congratulations, First, you chose a good school. Second, syempre, talagang achievement, no? And yung drive that you exemplified really should serve as models for everybody. Alam niyo, there are a lot of us from the same school who were taught basically one thing, di ba? Yung during our time, if ever we lost, that was not an issue. If we lost because we gave up, that was a tremendous issue. Yung parang for the whole week, sisermo na kami, pati yung nanonood lang. No? Bawal, yung sumuko. Maski na down by 40, last 20 seconds, hindi ka pwede sumuko. Smart by providing you all of the necessary opportunities.
All right, here's the jacket for you, and the basketball team.
Total naman panahon ko, maski cheerleader yung ginagawa. Tagapalakpak lang ni Mr. Palu. Father Kit was younger. One batch ata.
I think we're one from the high school.
Thank you, thank you.
Next, we give the